All right, y'all. This one's gonna be stupid. Basswars Finals. Me pulling in. Look, I'm doing my video, the intro for my truck, because when I pulled in, everything here is so loud. If I was to go outside, you wouldn't be able to hear me. And this is the end. I'm gonna show you the end of the row. It's right there. I'm down the street pretty much, and it's too loud for me to go outside so you guys can hear me. But as always, number one, please like and subscribe. Number two, let's see what they talking about. Basswars Finals. Let's get it. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Do you remember the smart car that I hopped in? Here it is right here. That's a new one. I ain't seen that one before. Man, that's wild. Hey, what happens when you have to go to work and you love music? Put music in the work truck. Before you get started, what do you have in here?
I have 415 Phi Omegas on Def Bonds AK. I have it at half ohm, and I got two AAKs 180.4s for the mids and highs.
You got the high output alternator.
I got a 100 alt from Autotech. Billet.
Damn.
And yeah, that's it.
So everything's being powered correctly.
Yeah.
Here we go. You used to this?
Huh?
So you're used to this. It's not even loud for you anymore?
No. I had more power. I'm down 1 amp. I had two AKs on there, and the last show I came, I shattered my whole front windshield.
So this is new?
Yeah, within 15 seconds I shattered it. So far it's been holding up.
You took an amp out because it was too much power?
No, I took an amp out because it blew on me.
Oh man.
And now I would have had both.
This is a new windshield. You can already see what he's doing to it. Look at this. Yeah, there was something there before.
savage.
Damn. That opened up all this. That opened up all this. Damn. I don't even know why I should be saying thank you to that. That's torture. I appreciate you, man. Tell everybody how to find you.
At Kirby LS. That's it, Kirby LS.
There you go, man. Y'all follow him and see his builds. He's constantly switching up and see what he has going on. All right, y'all. This one right here is stupid. You might remember this one from the last video. It's setting records.
Changed my mind. Alright, so get in, sit down, and then you're going to lean over the console like this and pull the seat up as close as you can.
Man, I love seeing the look on y'all face on the base.
Yeah, get all the way in.
Oh, it's about to be painful for him.
I just look at the look on his face on that base.
Alright, now hold on for life.
Give me a solid, pray for me.
Oh, it's about to hurt.
It's going to be a minute. It's going to be a minute. Relax for a second. I'll let you go.
All right, saved them, but I'll be right back. Gonna make sure that we get that for sure. To give you an idea of how much power these vehicles have, look at this. Look at this. All reinforced. This is steel, and they do like some rhino liner over it, but it's all super thick plexiglass. It's already. It's because there's so much power being pushed out, it'll just blow out and shatter windshields all day. So they have to take it out and make a new one. How serious are you about music? Not that serious. I know. Oh, let me run over. Here we go. Our first one was 171 decibels. I don't think you guys realize how loud and powerful that is. All of us are standing back. Look how far everybody's standing back. Damn, 172. That's wild. 172. All right, let's keep it moving. Sounded like it had its own heartbeat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There. All right, let's hop in this one. See what he's talking about. Hey, this might sound gay as, But this nigga got an anaconda. And it's look at this thing, man. Damn. Oh, yeah, no Diddy. All right. All right. Real quick, what you got in here?
I got 4 Sundown SDDN 15s on 4 ruthless 10Ks at half ohm each. On what do we got? 270 amp hour C-Max, and yeah, and a 6th order.
4 10Ks, half ohm.
Only 4 15s too, so
Yeah, that's a lot of power going to it.
yep.
To see it, but if you can feel the amount of air being pushed, he don't need no air conditioning. Literally, all he has to do is just play his music, and everybody's like, man.
Yes, sir. Here, let's go.
And that shit felt good too. It was deep, consistent. Don't forget, 4 10Ks with 4 15s. Killing them. Not killing the subs because they working. Killing everybody on the street. That's what he's doing. Hell yeah.
Sundown for the win, baby.
Hey, let everybody know how they can find you.
Hey, YouTube, Not Even Loud Audio, no spaces, and TikTok _Clay Adams. Check me out. Check me out.
Hey, go to his channel, go to his page, subscribe, hit him up, show support. He's out here doing it, for sure.
I appreciate it.
Hey, man. Damn. We got the infamous Josh posted up. Look at him, he's a diva. He's a diva. Got his own little tent now. Posted up, ready to do damage. And he switched it out since the last time you guys saw him. So when he turns this one on, most definitely I'm gonna let you guys know. He's upgraded this one a lot. And it was even stupid before. It's dumb now. Was it straight before?
Yeah, no, it was wavy.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Hey, man, look. I love you guys, but y'all pissing me off, man. You've been watching this whole video, ain't even liked or subscribed yet. Look, if you don't like and subscribe, I'm gonna have to keep walking around with ugly people. Look at that.
Go push that fucking button. What the fuck are y'all doing?
Hey, who looks better? Vote in the comment section. If you like me, just say daddy. If you like him,
Say Big Daddy.
hey, that was quick. That was quick. That's all the girls say to you, right? Yeah.
Yo. So Danny don't know this, but we just took over his channel right now. On today's episode of Big Back Babies, we're gonna talk to y'all about steaks. Nah, I'm just kidding. We got shit in this car, got the AC on. It's hot as hell outside. But my stomach hurts, so when he get back in the car, he gonna smell something kind of crazy. You got one too?
It's a D-Rep?
Yeah, we can blow ass in this truck all we want. Danny don't care. And it's all right. Next time we're gonna funk it up real bad for y'all. Right now we're gonna go and get out of here. It's hot.